We at the hotel, motel, Holiday Inn.
Today, we are going to be looking at the Holiday Inn in Austin, Texas. It's so bad.
Disclaimer.
It's so bad. Focusing in on the hotel lobby. So let's take a look at the atrocity
that this listing is. When we first saw this listing, I thought I was looking at an air traffic control office. I was like, what am I staring? I didn't even know what I was looking at. It's that bad. So like, where do we start? Dark, shitty furniture.
Faded. Like it's brutal and it needs a Pink Wall Designs revamp ASAP. Yeah, ASAP. Let's go over the changes that we would make. First off, we want to implement as much as like their colors and maybe go for what they were trying to go for. So we're still gonna keep that very nice burgundy color, but we're actually going to go with a better shade. It's called Dinner Party by Benjamin Moore. And we are gonna put that on the ceiling completely, as well as open up the space. So there's a divider that looks like it's in the lobby, taking it from, you know, the front desk into the seating zone. So get rid of that entire wall and just open up the space, make it more welcoming.
Yeah, that color is gonna bring some nice richness to things because their version of the burgundy is like kind of, I don't know. Okay, next we're gonna go in with some beautiful marble. It doesn't have to be excessive either. Obviously marble's a little bit more expensive, but even just doing a nice little feature square directly behind the desk goes such a long way. And it's just gonna bring that next level design element to this lobby.
Luxury. It screams luxury.
Yeah.
And the kind of calico pattern pulls all that burgundy, the browns, everything very nicely.
It's so beautiful.
Your main focal point, he needs to get rid of that existing desk, throw it in the trash, and we're gonna go with this beautiful kind of fluted looking front desk area. Again, very welcoming. Honestly, put the branding right on that desk. So we're suggesting that Holiday Inn does a whole new rebrand and it just looks very clean.
Drop the.
Yeah, drop the.
If you guys have seen that movie, let us know in the comments.
Yes.
Next, greenery is like the easiest way to elevate a space, guys, especially really tall, oversized trees. We always recommend going taller versus shorter. So we did these two very large indoor planters. I think they're at least 7 feet tall, which is really nice because it just feels that grandeur, that elegance when you're checking in and brings, even it doesn't matter the location, it just feels fresh and natural and just very clean.
On your surrounding walls, we always love a wallpaper moment. So we went with, again, very kind of neutral, but leans clean. It's actually got some yellow details, but it is just like a white, clean beige wallpaper, letting the other elements kind of take those accents and take over, but we'll also finish off those walls nicely.
Next up is lighting. You guys know how important lighting is. We are such huge advocates of lighting, and especially in a hotel lobby at a check-in desk, very, very, very important because that is what people are gonna be basically staring at as they do their check-ins. They're gonna be feeling all different types of emotions, and you don't want the lighting to be aggravating them further. So something bright and warm, bright and soft is like the key balance. Nothing like too crazy in your face. If you're gonna do something like that, maybe make it a little bit higher. If it's going to act as like accent lighting and task lighting, something like a beautiful kind of globe pendant that we chose here is the perfect balance of both.
Yeah, so substitute those 3 already existing pendants that look like they're from Amazon, get rid of those and add this luxurious, elegant new light fixtures. All in all, tied together with new flooring, we've gone with this diamond pattern. Again, classic, easy to clean. You don't see a lot of scuffs on the floor. So go with that kind of like that checkered style, but make it the diamond pattern. We'll pull everything together quite nicely.
Simple changes, but a drastic difference. And so let's take a look at what this would look like if the Holiday Inn got their act together and put in our changes. This one was a massive transformation and so needed.
All of these details that we talked about are the elements that make this the ultimate boutique hotel lobby. We have created a guide for you guys, literally discussing all of these kind of secrets, you could say. We go in on all of the details to implement an ultimate boutique hotel lobby space. That is available for purchase on our website. Gonna have all of the answers to your questions on how to deliver something like this.
It's also gonna be linked below for you guys in the description, a direct link. And then one final comment about that. People think that they need this grand space to have like a hotel lobby experience. We have designed hotel lobbies the size of a closet. You don't need a lot of space to make a big impact. So just always remember that even when you're hotel shopping or thinking about your own space that you want to transform, it doesn't have to be big. Size really doesn't matter.
That's what she said.
So as always, if you guys want to shop any of these products, check them out in the description. They're all there for you. And please subscribe to our channel. We love you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.